All right, guys, 2020 Dodge Charger, HEMI, 5.7, HEMI, baby. Got factory converters. We did 2 other videos on it already where we deleted the mids and we installed the Borla the first time. Anyways, this is what we did on it this time. Factory converters. Then we deleted the X pipe that comes with the Borla because it was way too quiet. You wanted around 118 to 120. It was about 105, so. Hopefully this will solve it. It's 2.5 we did in the center. Then it goes out to 3-inch out the back, Borla attack. There and right there, as you guys can see. And he bought a set of carbon tips. You guys can see them right there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it. And it's got a valve delete on it also. Right there and right there. So that's how you do an X-pipe delete on these, boys and girls. As you guys can see, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much louder. Again? Yes. Again? Where's sound decibels? Again? Again? Yes, much better. And we did that 2.5-inch. Oh, so much better. Go ahead and back it up. And he brought an AWE kit, guys, but I guess the guy who did it was on a Friday night because it didn't fit at all. It was too short and half the bends weren't right, so he's going to return that kit. That's why we did this for him. It sounds so much better. Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. There she is. Charger, X-pipe delete, and Borla attacks. Gonna work on that Solstice next. That sounds really nice. He got a little screechy. 2017 Audi S7 V8 Turbo. What we got done on this thing. Factory converters up there somewhere. And there. Then resonator delete there. Second resonator delete there. Then a rear muffler delete there. And there. I know they come with the valves, so what we do with the valves is we zip tie them away. There, as you guys can see. And another one on the other side somewhere. So basically opens it up all the way, makes it throaty and rowdy. Rowdy! You guys remember Rowdy Piper from wrestling? I don't know if you guys watch wrestling. Anyways, that reminded me of him. And then we put some quad tips out the back to complete the look. There will be a link in the description for them also. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off, there and there. There's the resonator. I don't know where he put with the other 2. The other 2 resonators are over there. You can't see them, but anyways. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Came out absolutely. Listen to that beast. Oh, baby. That sounds phenomenal. Listen to that. Woo! Wow. That's a pop right there. That's amazing. Here's sound decibels again. 115 again. 160 is probably even 116. That's amazing. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. guys gotta admit. That's a badass Audi right there. Let you guys hear on the inside. Audi S7, fully straight pot with quad tips. Enjoy, guys. That's so sick. Beast mode in an Audi. You hear that barbell, dude? 2002 Chevy 2500 HD, 6.0 liter. What we got done on it, got these massive converters there and there. Then it usually comes into a dual in single out muffler. We cut it off, ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. Mandrel bent, as you guys can see there and there. There it is, beautiful. And two massive 6-inch tips there and there, as you guys can see. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that, 6-inch massive tips. That's the muffler that was on it, factory. Comes dual in, dual out into a single. So you have to cut it off to run it like that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That was kind of weird, but okay. Enjoy, man. Again? Wow. Sound decibels? Oh, it hit 125. Wow. You see what I'm talking about? 125. How big of a difference that 6-inch tips change. Let you guys hear on the inside. Always that loner at the end makes it slow for everybody. Enjoy, guys. 2013 Chevy Camaro SS, 6.2 liter. Got 4 factory converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then what we did is a true dual system all the way back, 3-inch, as you guys can see, all the way back, and it continues and it goes there and there. And then we put some 5-inch or 4.5-inch tips out the back there and there. He brought an MBRP axle back that we installed for him too, and we did custom in the middle for him. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it, right there, or resonators. And there's the mid muffler in the middle, right there, I think. I wasn't here, so earlier, I don't know. Anyways, part number S7019AL. If you guys want a link, there'll be a link in the description for it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Neighbor's gonna love you. Wow. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Again? Oh, it sounds so good. What do you think, man? You want to be on camera? Happy? Yes.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, baby.
Oh, they already after me. Oh, no.
Oh, look, they're already after him. Get them, boys. system. That's so funny. Chevy SS Camaro.
It's not even the same car.
Would you like to tell us how you feel right now?
I am beyond happy with the work that y'all did. This is absolutely ridiculous. My neighbor's gonna hate me even more.
Let you guys hear on the inside. He's so happy. We're happy that he's happy. Are we happy? And it's a Camaro, so Timmy's happy.
He didn't say he wanted it louder than his friend's Mustang.
And he wanted it louder than his friend's Mustang, so he's real happy that we did that. Wow. That sounds really nice, actually. I like it.